I'm here in Swansea, Illinois, and our creek is flooded. See where those two trees are right there? Usually the creek goes down pretty far into the ground, you know what I'm saying. And I'm walking through the creek to take these pictures, so hopefully it won't get swept away in a monsoon. And this is what it looks like. Oh, there's the mailman. I need my mail. Oh, sorry, that wasn't supposed to be on video. I gotta go get my keys to get the mail out. And, okay. Anyway. Oh, look, there's something floating around. You can see how fast the creek's going. See? See that cup? Oh, I forgot I was videoing. I was waving to my friend. Okay. Oops. That's the thing with. This is all grass usually. And it is up to, I cannot walk and think at the same time. Anyway, it's up to the, look at that. This is all grass. All the way to that edge over there is usually grass. But not anymore. The creek is flooded bad. And that doesn't thrill me because I live at the bottom of the hill. So, yeah. Not good. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's it. Just some scary shit. I wonder if you can see that. Hold on. Try to zoom into that. Can you see how fast that water is moving in there? That is some shit. Okay, anyway, my camera's fogging up. Peace out, players.